Hello guys! Good morning! October 26th, 2025 here in the Philippines. My husband, hello Bunny. Good morning Bunny. My husband is there. There you go. Now, walking here. And here's Sandy here now. Somebody playing a basketball here in the street. There is the place. Oh, look at that place. My beautiful roses. I get a beautiful roses now. Oh, look at this. I think I need to cut this. Oh, something gets sad. My roses now. I have a beautiful plants here. Look at my snake plants. And this is the first plants my husband gave it to me. Money tree. My bunny bought this for me. A money tree. Wow, look at that. I get a beautiful money tree. I think I need to make it stand like, stand up like this. I think it needs a little bit sand again. So then I'm gonna put some. I don't know how gonna look like that. And another one puppy here. Mochi Mochi. Oh, no. I'll do a little bit video, guys. Bye, guys.